Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Wow, that was half of Layla in that video.
Bye bye. Thank you.
You're good, thank
You're
you.
good.
We got her in the film.
Yay.
What was I saying? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. And this is my son. Well, that was going down. Robert. Hi, Robert.
Hello.
Welcome back to the show. If you guys haven't seen, Robert has made an appearance here for our green bag collab video.
The collab video.
So he's gonna join me today because I ordered some VERA Bradley for our VERA Bradley Day here. For today, you're gonna get two videos. I'm also gonna do a very small reveal of a gift that my friend Nicole sent.
Can you guess what the theme is?
Yeah.
The theme is Star Wars. No,
Star Wars.
it's Toy Story.
Okay. So as I was saying, when we did our VERA Bradley big order that you guys saw, and I so appreciate everyone who watched. We have the playlist and our playlist on the bottom, but VERA Bradley has been dropping a lot of nice Disney stuff, and I believe, Robert, you said in the first video that do they have the Pixar?
Yeah, I did. I asked if they had Pixar related items like Monsters Inc. and stuff, and
So
it turns out they do.
2 pieces.
Yep.
You get to open one and I'll open the
Hooray!
other. Okay. So we're here in our Pixar outfit.
We're wearing a Toy Story shirt, yeah, matching.
Toy Story.
Yeah.
Because Robert, this is your favorite
Franchise from Pixar. Yeah, this is my favorite
okay.
movie. Yeah.
So yeah, these are all Robert's toys.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, his toys. So he's gonna open that one first, and then he'll leave so that he can monitor the camera.
Yeah.
Because there's always technical issues. So I didn't order anything with Woody on it or.
Unfortunately, they didn't have it.
Or
Yeah.
Buzz. They're really pricey, so I just bought something that I'm gonna use or something that I could put on display. So I went with these smaller pieces. What is the first one?
Ooh, it's Mrs. Potato Head. Ooh, and Mr. Potato Head too.
Oh, it's double. Okay. So
Oh, that's awesome.
Show them what you unboxed.
Gotta show that. It's Mrs. Potato Head on one end, and on the other end is Mr. Potato Head. Okay. It's really cool.
It's a.
What is this?
Key ring. It's like a little wallet key ring, huh?
Yeah, I think it's some kind of key wallet thing.
Okay. So this is a true unboxing. We don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, we have no. I've never seen any of it, so.
Okay, what's it say here?
Ooh, I can't read that one.
Mr. Potato Head bag charm.
Charm bag.
Okay, here, show it again.
Sweet.
It's your item.
Yep.
Mr. Potato. Do you like Mr. Potato Head?
I do. I like him, and I like the actor who portrays Mrs. Potato Head too. She's George's mother from Seinfeld.
Oh yeah, I love her. Okay, so very cute, guys. And that was my son's item. You have to open it like this.
Oh yeah.
Show them the inside.
Yep. Let's check that out too.
I like the colors, huh? This is really unisex.
Yeah, it can be for anybody.
Could be
It's not.
for
It's
men,
not
women.
gendered or anything.
Yeah.
The inside of it looks like it is
We have a Woody down. Hold on. Oh, and did he fall?
Did he fall? No, Woody. Okay. The inside looks like it's things related to the characters, like a badge and like.
Oh, on that side I see.
Yeah, and Buzz is on the other side. Let me see if I can. I'll go up and try to show it more because it's kind of dark.
See your T-shirt too.
Yep. Let's see. It's a bit dark. I'll try to get a. This new stand we have does not have a ring light, unfortunately. No. Yeah. There's Buzz in there, and then if you look carefully, you can kind of see Woody.
Okay, show them the zipper again.
This part?
Mm-hmm. And then zip it for them to see how it works.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go.
And show the two sides.
There we go. And here is the Potato Head side, and there's
really
Mrs. Potato Head side.
Very cute. Thank you, Robert.
Mm-hmm.
Now go let them see your shirt.
Oh, let's see. Yeah, it's the Toy Story. It's all the gang on it.
Nice, thank you. So there's Robert's debut again. So this is, I ordered this because I know you like Mr. Potato.
Mm-hmm.
Now would you hang this on your backpack?
Yeah.
You would?
Possibly,
okay,
yeah.
So it has a key ring. So it is a key ring, guys. Little wallet key ring. I think that's adorable. Okay, so this, the first piece. Thank you, Robert. Second piece, guys. You guys know from the shape. The other ones I got from Belle. I love them. Mrs. Potts. Let's see this one now. Oh, this is all the girls. Look at that.
Oh, it's all the ladies.
Wow, that is pretty. This is called Friends. from Infinity. And it is, of course, a makeup case. How adorable.
Looks like it has Jessie, Bo Peep, Mrs. Potato Head, and the sheep.
I'm glad you said those names. I don't know all their names.
Yeah, I know the Toy Story lore.
You do? Okay, perfect. So it does have a zipper. It goes all around. See the inside? Oh, it's the same inside. Okay, cool. You can see here the inside, guys.
Ooh, they even have the characters on the inside too.
That is really pretty. Very, very pretty. You want to take it forward, Robert, so we can see the color. Yeah. And join in again. There you go. That is so cute. Guys, so this is the part 1 of my Vera Bradley. Because today we're going to have a Vera Bradley and a Kipling. Because I want to show you guys the Kipling that my friend Nicole sent me as a gift. It's also a Disney Kipling. I have never seen it. So I thought this would be fun to do a 1 and a 2. So I don't know which video will load first.
That's pretty high quality, like the way that it looks. It's like really well drawn.
It's
yeah.
well made too. Love the leather. It's a nice blue color. Again, this is very unisex. I think everybody can.
Yeah, anybody can use it. Yeah.
It. And there you have it. The 2 Pixars for our Vera Bradley unboxing for the 14th. And I'm gonna have the part 2 is gonna be the Kipling. We haven't done Kipling in a while, so I thought we'll do that one. I was gonna do that only, but then these came and I was like, let's do it, Robert. So thank you so much for watching. And if you're new here, I am Tera, and this is my son Robert. If you want to come back, Robert, say hi.
Hello. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Does he talk?
Stationed up in the Gamma quadrant of Sector 4.
Good job. Good job.
Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.
From the evil universe Earth.